Now at the time of this video, a Kobalt brand 40 volt 2 amp hour battery is $149 and the 40 volt charger is $59.98. That's $210 just to be able to use your Kobalt tool. Now I have both this Kobalt 40 volt charger with the Kobalt 2 amp hour battery, but one day it just stopped charging. And at first I thought the battery had died, but before spending a lot of money on an original replacement, I decided to do a little bit of an experiment. Instead of buying another name brand charger, I ordered an off-brand charger along with an off-brand 40 volt 6 amp hour battery. In total, I spent $28 and some change for the charger and about $49 for the battery. Now that's less than half the cost for both and a longer running battery. And much to my pleasure, the new aftermarket charger charged the new 6 amp hour battery without any issues. But here's the interesting part. It also charged my original Kobalt battery perfectly. That confirmed that the battery was still good and it was just a factory charger that had failed. Even better, both batteries worked in my Kobalt hedge trimmer. The original battery is back in service, and now I have a larger capacity 6 amp hour battery that gives me longer runtime on top of that. This is a great reminder that sometimes the charger, not the battery, is the real problem. And if that's the case, you don't necessarily have to pay premium prices for an OEM replacement. The aftermarket charger I bought is compatible with multiple Kobalt 40 volt batteries, and in my case it worked exactly as I'd hoped. For less money than replacing everything with original parts, I ended up with a working charger, a second battery, and more runtime than I had before. Now I can't promise every aftermarket battery or charger will perform exactly the same, but this setup has worked well for me so far, and it's saved me a significant amount of money. If you've got a Kobalt battery that suddenly stopped charging, don't automatically assume the battery is dead. It might just be the charger. So here's your permission to check out the off-brand batteries and chargers and try to save yourself a little bit money. So I hope this was helpful, and if it was, give it a thumbs up, and if you enjoy practical DIY tips, tool reviews, and ways to get more life out of things that you already own, consider subscribing. Hope you have a great day. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns.